turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should be able to see the EGR valve and its inlet conduit. Its function is to recycle the unused gases from the engine and gets dirty very quickly. We suggest cleaning it regularly to avoid significant engine malfunctions. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, insert it into the hollow space under the connector to remove it. The EGR valve is held by 3 nuts. One of them is located behind the valve and it is a little bit tricky to get to. Undo the 3 nuts using an 8mm socket wrench and finish unscrewing by hand. The valve can sometimes be stiff to remove. You should be able to loosen it free by making lateral back and forth motions. You also have to remove the EGR valve inlet conduit. To do this, you must remove the black frame of the engine cover that is held on by 2 screws at its base. Remove the conduit by combining a pull force with a lateral back and forward motion. Careful, if it is clogged up, the conduit may be rather hard to release. Cleaning the valve is a particularly dirty and time-consuming job. Make sure you do it in an adapted space. Spray the 2 pots you have taken out with an oven cleaner. Leave it to work for 20 minutes, then repeat the operation. We advise rinsing it with fuel after each spray of oven cleaner. To ensure that the conduit is completely clean, use a brush to get to those hard-to-reach areas inside. Once both parts are clean, it's time to reassemble the whole thing, starting with the conduit. Simultaneously, insert it fully into the 2 housings, then screw by hand the black frame of the engine cover. Finish screwing in the black frame with a wrench. Put the EGR valve back in place, ensuring that the metallic seal is present. Once again, tighten the 3 nuts by hand to begin with, and then finish the process off with a wrench. Reconnect the power. Operation completed.